Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the TalkBack feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Accessibility section, then TalkBack, and here you can enable this feature. After you tap OK, the TalkBack tutorial starts.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5, TalkBack, close, button.
So as you can see,
double tap to activate.
It like talks non-stop. So if you want to disable this feature immediately, just like double tap the close button.
Close to.
You have to double tap on
TalkBack.
everything.
Navigate up, button. Double tap to activate.
Then double tap
On.
here.
Stop. Okay. TalkBack off.
And that's how you can disable it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.